This non-standard connector has a fixed 9mm shaft and 2 inclined slotted holes. Its fixing angle can be adjusted with 2 M8 bolts, thus adjusting the inclination of the 9mm shaft. If you have similar requirements for adjustable fixed connections, you can refer to this design. Now, let's see how to draw it. Draw straight lines with continuous segment lengths of 45, 102, 78, and 32 as shown in the figure. Offset the line segment 5 units to the right. Snap to the center point and draw a straight line of length 4 upward. Continue to draw a straight line with length 14 and angle 36 degrees. Draw a straight line of length 18. Draw circles with radius 4 using the 2 ends as centers. Connect the straight lines as shown in the figure. Trim the figure. Rotate it by 36 degrees. Move the figure as shown in the figure. Delete the redundant line segments. Mirror the figure. Draw the center line. Snap to the center point and draw a vertical line segment. Offset the straight line 6 units inward to get line A, then continue to offset it 32 units inward to get line B as shown in the figure. Offset the vertical line segment 27.5 units to the left. Rotate line A by -105 degrees with point A as the origin. Trim the figure. Offset line B 11 units inward. Offset the vertical line segment 22.5 units to the left. Draw a circle with radius 4 using the intersection point as the center. Delete the redundant line segments. Select the figure as shown in the figure. Mirror it. Trim the figure. Offset the line segment 10 units upward to get line C. Offset the vertical line segment 4.5 units to the left and right respectively. Extend the line segments to line C. Line segment C shifts left by 59. Connect the straight lines as shown in the figure. Delete the redundant line segments. Connect the straight lines as shown in the figure. Trim the figure. Add dimensions. down.